So you want to make $10,000 before December. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this for you. This isn't some motivational video where I tell you to believe in yourself or visualize and think like a millionaire and magically the money will appear in your bank account immediately. Unfortunately, that's not how things actually work. By the end of this video, you're going to have a clear step-by-step action plan to hit $10,000 before this year ends. And the reason I know this works is because that's exactly what I've done myself multiple times. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only working a few hours a day. So look, you have less than 90 days to make it. That's it. The clock is ticking right now as you're watching this video. And while everyone else is going to waste the next 3 months scrolling through TikTok, binge watching Netflix, and making excuses about why they can't start their business yet, you have the opportunity to end this year completely different than how you started it. But here's what it's going to take. You need to be uncomfortable. You need to do things that scare you, and you need to move fast. And guess what? 99% of people aren't actually willing to do that kind of stuff. And that's the exact reason they stay broke. Let me be very clear about something. This challenge isn't for everyone. If you're the type of person who needs their hand held every step of the way, or you give up at the slightest obstacle, or if you're looking for some magical shortcut that requires zero effort, then go ahead and click off this video right now. I'm not here to waste your time, so don't waste mine. But if you're serious about making real money, if you're tired of being broke, and if you're finally ready to stop making excuses and start taking action, then keep watching because this is for you. Now let me lay out the rules of this challenge, because without rules, this is just another video you'll watch and forget about in 20 minutes. The first rule is that you have to pick one vehicle, one business model. I don't care if it's freelancing, digital products, coaching, or whatever, but you pick one and you stick with it until December. We don't want to fall for shiny object syndrome. If your goal is to make $10,000 a month online, the worst thing you can possibly do is jumping around like a headless chicken every time you see some guru on Instagram talking about the next big thing. You know what kills more dreams than anything else? It's not lack of talent. It's not even lack of money. It's lack of focus. People try dropshipping for 2 weeks, then they see someone making money with affiliate marketing, so they abandon everything they're doing and start over. Then they hear about AI agencies and they're off chasing that. Stop it. Pick one vehicle and commit to it like your life depends on it. Because spoiler alert, it kinda does. By the way, if you want me to personally teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process to getting customers. It's the link in the description or pinned comment. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making at least $10,000 a month consistently with your business. Link in description. The second rule is that you must commit to daily action, even if it's small. I don't care if you only have 30 minutes to work every single day. I don't care if you're working a full-time job already. Most people who came to me for help, they were already working full-time jobs with families to take care of. So they were pretty busy, they didn't let it stop them. You need to do something every single day that moves you closer to that $10,000 goal. And I'm not talking about endless research or watching YouTube videos or podcasts about entrepreneurship. I'm talking about taking action for real. Reaching out to potential clients, creating content, having sales calls, building your product. That's real work that actually makes real money. Now let's move on to the third rule. We make zero excuses. And I mean zero. You want to cut all distractions. Stop telling yourself you're gonna start tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes for people who keep saying I'm gonna start tomorrow. I grew up in the low middle class and I saw this mindset everywhere. People would have all these dreams and goals, but they'd always find a reason why now wasn't the right time. Oh, I'll start my business after I save up more money. I'll start reaching out to clients once my website is perfect. I'll launch my product when I have more followers. This is all BS. None of those people ever got started. A lesson I really wish I learned sooner is that you don't need perfect conditions to start. You need to start to create perfect conditions. When you adopt this kind of mindset, You're the one in control, and that, my friend, is when you become dangerous. The fourth rule I want to share with you is that you need to track your progress weekly. Numbers don't lie. You need to know exactly how much money you're making, how many people you're reaching out to, how many sales calls you're having, what your conversion rate is. If you're not tracking these numbers, you're just guessing. And guessing is how you stay broke. Now that you understand these rules, let's start with step 1. Picking your $10,000 vehicle. Now, there are a few options here, and I want to break down each one so you can make an informed decision. The first option is freelancing or a service-based business. This is hands down the fastest way to make money if you're starting from zero. Why? Because you're selling your skills and your time directly to clients who need help right now. You're not waiting to build an audience. You can literally reach out to businesses today and start making money this week. However, the competition can be intense for that same reason. High-ticket clients are where it's at. Forget about charging $50 for a logo design. Find businesses that have real problems and charge them $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 to solve those problems. The second option is selling digital products. Now, this one is scalable as hell, but I'm not gonna lie to you. It requires audience building. You need people who trust you and want to buy from you. So if you have zero audience right now, this might not be the fastest path to $10,000 before December. But if you already have a small following, or if you're willing to post content every single day and build that audience fast, then digital products can absolutely work. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and you can sell them forever. The third option is coaching or consulting. This is perfect if you have a skill or knowledge that other people want. Maybe you know how to run Facebook ads. Maybe you're great at fitness and nutrition. You built a fit body. Maybe you understand social media growth. Maybe you know how to play the guitar, or even you're a good cook. I've even seen people make a killing selling League of Legends coaching or courses. Whatever it is, you can turn that into income by coaching other people. And the best part is that you can charge premium prices for one-on-one attention. Here's the key to all of this though. Pick what solves a painful problem and stick with it. Nobody's going to pay you money for something they don't desperately need. They're not going to pay you to make their life slightly more convenient. They're going to pay you to solve a problem that's costing them money, time, or peace of mind. So whatever vehicle you choose, make sure it's solving a real painful problem for your target customer. If you want to learn how I built a business that makes thousands of dollars a day while only working a few hours a day and traveling the world, I made a free video breaking down my 3-step process, link in the description and pinned comment. You can also apply for a free call with me or my team to find out what's holding you back from making more money, and maybe even join my mentorship where I help you hit 10K per month and beyond. Now, spots are very limited, so we won't be able to speak with everyone, unfortunately. Now let's talk about step 2, getting clients or customers fast. Look, you can have the best business model in the world, but if nobody's buying from you, you're not making any money. Period. The first thing you need to do is post content consistently on 1 to 2 platforms. Notice I said 1 to 2, not 5. Don't spread yourself too thin. Pick where your ideal clients are hanging out and show up there every single day. If you're targeting business owners, that's probably LinkedIn or Facebook. If you're targeting younger people, maybe it's Instagram or TikTok or even YouTube. But whatever it is, you need to be posting valuable content consistently. And if you don't want to do it, then don't do it and stay broke. I don't care, because I will continue to do what it takes to grow my business. At the end of the day, you can't expect to never do new things and somehow get rich. Here's where most people mess up though. They post content and then they just sit there waiting for clients to magically appear. That's not how it works. You need to reach out. DMs, cold emails, LinkedIn messages, whatever it takes. Don't wait for clients to come to you, especially when you're just starting out and nobody knows who you are. I know reaching out to strangers feels uncomfortable. I know it feels like you're bothering people. But you know what's even more uncomfortable? Being broke. So get over it and start reaching out. Worst case scenario, they refuse your offer. Best case scenario, you get a new client. You literally have nothing to lose. And here's something crucial. Focus on conversations, not likes, not views. I see so many people obsessing over their engagement metrics, stressing about how many likes they got on their last post. That stuff doesn't matter if you're not making money. What matters is how many conversations you're having with potential customers. A post with 10 views that leads to 2 sales calls is infinitely more valuable than a post with 10,000 views that leads to nothing. And there's another thing. Sales calls are better than sales pages for speed and higher price points. If you want to close someone on a $3,000 offer, you're going to have a much easier time doing that on a call than through a sales page. On a call, you can handle objections in real time. You can build rapport. You can customize your pitch based on what they're telling you. Sales pages have their place. But when you're moving fast and trying to hit $10,000 before December, get on calls with people, even if you sell digital products for a few $100 only. Step 3 is all about delivering value that deserves $10,000. Look, anyone can make money once. The hard part is making it consistently. And the way you do that is by over-delivering to your first few clients and getting testimonials fast. When someone pays you money, give them more than they expected. Blow their minds with the results you get them, because those first few clients are going to become your best marketing tool. Their testimonials, their results, their case studies, that's what's going to make selling to the next client 10 times easier. Build case studies immediately. Document everything. Take screenshots of the results you're getting people. Record video testimonials. Get them to write reviews. This stuff is pure gold because it's proof, and proof makes selling so much easier. Instead of trying to convince someone that you can help them, you can just show them the results you got for someone else who had the exact same problem. And here's what most people don't do. Reinvest your profits. When you make your first $1,000, don't go blow it on a new pair of shoes or a night out. Reinvest it into better tools, into ads, into content creation. Every dollar you reinvest into your business is a dollar that you can multiply, and then it will come back to you tenfold. Step 4 is where things get really interesting. Scale and stack. Once you have some clients and some results, it's time to raise your prices. I'm serious. If you're charging $1,000 and you're getting great results for people, start charging $1,500 or $2,000. Your time is valuable, and as you get better at what you do, you should be charging more for it. Don't fall into the trap of being the cheapest option in your market. Being cheap attracts cheap clients who are going to be a pain to deal with anyway. Next, outsource the low-level work. If you're spending hours every day doing tasks that someone else could do for $20 an hour, you're wasting money. Your time should be spent on high-value activities, sales, strategy, building relationships. Everything else should be delegated as soon as you can afford it. This frees up your time to focus on making more money instead of being stuck in the weeds of your business. And finally, systemize everything. Everything. Repeat what works instead of reinventing the wheel every single time. If you have a client onboarding process that works, document it and use it for every new client. If you have an outreach message that gets responses, use the same template over and over. If you have a sales script that closes deals, stick with it. Too many people think they need to be creative and unique with everything. No, you don't. Find what works and do more of it. That's it. It's that simple. By trying to always change things, you can also fuck up everything. I'm talking from experience. Now, to be able to successfully complete this challenge, you need the right mindset. Mindset is going to make or break you. And the most important thing is urgency. You have less than 90 days to make this happen. That means you need to treat every single day like it's a deadline. You don't have time to start tomorrow, next week, or only do the work when you feel motivated. You have to get started today, right now. Every day that passes without you taking action is a day you'll never get back. And look, discipline is important, but confidence is what's going to get you to take the scary actions. Act like that $10,000 is already yours. Act like the person who's already successful, because when you show up with that energy, people can feel it. Clients can sense when you believe in yourself and when you don't. So even if you're scared, even if you're uncertain, act confident anyway. There's a lot of power in the fake it till you make it. Something that a lot of people don't understand is that consistency compounds. Small daily wins add up to massive results over time. You might not see progress day to day, but if you look back after a month of consistent action, you're going to be amazed at how far you've come. Most people quit right before they're about to break through because they can't see the process happening. Don't be one of those people. And finally, it's time to destroy your comfort zone. If you want to earn $10,000 a month or get rich, you're going to have to do things that feel scary. Making sales calls, reaching out to strangers, putting yourself out there on social media, dealing with rejection. All of that is uncomfortable. But you know what's even more uncomfortable? Staying broke, being stuck in the same place a year from now, having dreams that you never pursue because you were too scared to be uncomfortable for a little while. I mean, I'll be honest with you. A few years ago, I was this shy, anxious kid who dreamed of getting rich and having a successful business. And I'd tell my parents I was working on my business, when in reality, I was just spending most of my days battling with addictions and vices that were sinking me. And I can't even tell you how painful that was. There's nothing worse than being broke, lonely, and lost. But sadly, in my experience, change only happens when the pain of staying the same is greater than the pain of change. I want you to really think about something for a second. December is coming whether you take action or not. The question is, who are you going to be when December arrives? Are you going to be the person who made excuses and stayed in the same place with the same empty bank account? Or are you going to be the person who took this challenge seriously, who did the uncomfortable work, and who ended the year with $10,000 in the bank? The choice is yours. Nobody's going to do this for you. Nobody's going to care about your goals more than you do. If you want me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month consistently with your business. Link in the description. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.